Ever played those jumble puzzles? They used to be like newspapers, but now they'd be like online, where they scramble the letters and you have to figure out what the word was originally. So a puzzle designer here is deciding to scramble the letters of the word education to create a puzzle. How many 9-letter permutations of education could be made? So one thing we could do is we could just do our spaces from before. You would have 9 decisions to make. And so with the fundamental counting principle, we make a space for every decision that we have to make. And if we're scrambling these letters, then we put the number of choices into each space. Now, with education, you have 9 letters, so you would have 9 choices. One of those 9 letters is going to be first. Then your second decision is affected by your first decision, because if you decided to start with the letter E, now you only have 8 choices left. And once you've made that decision, now there's only 7 letters left. Then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, which is the same as 9 factorial. So you could have figured this out a lot quicker by just saying, oh, if there are 9 objects, and I need to arrange them, and once an object is used up, you can't reuse it, there's always going to be the number of objects factorial as your answer. And you could type this into your calculator and get a value. Oh, I need to take a change.
When you can.
Okay.
You are busy.
All right, sounds good. Now, something really cool about the word education in English is it is an English word that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all 5 vowels, which is pretty cool. There is apparently a word with all 5 vowels, and that's the only thing it is, but you've probably never heard of it. It's like some sort of, in biology, 1-cell organism, and they decided to call it an AU. I don't even know how you would say all 5 vowels in a row.
I used to use it for Wordle.
You used it for Wordle?
Yeah.
There you go. It has a purpose now. Before I thought it was just something in biology that had no purpose, but now
It gets all your
obviously
vowels in the start of Wordle.
it's a good one for Wordles. Is it spelled alphabetically?
I have no clue. I don't remember at all.
Because if you spell a non-word, it doesn't let you use it in Wordle,
Yes.
right? So, but there is, I know, a 7-letter word that I think you've probably heard of that has all 5 vowels. So this is your first puzzle for the day. Can you think of a 7-letter word that has all 5 vowels? And I give you a hint. It is a kind of tree. So you have to know your trees. It's not an evergreen. That has a lot of E's, but not the other vowels. It's not a pine tree. It's a kind of tree. 7 letters long, and it has all 5 vowels.
So Y doesn't count?
Y doesn't count.
Okay.
But there are English words that have all 5 vowels and Y. Educational speakers.
Oak.
That's one of them.
I got that.
Okay.
Spruce.
Oh.
Birch.
That was
I'm
one.
trying to think.
That's like the
Okay.
lowest.
Poplar.
This is like, I feel like giving you word problem puzzles
man.
today. Here's another one that may cause you to have a headache.
Christmas.
I want you to think of a word that starts with he and ends with he, but isn't he, or he, or he. Any of those ones. Can you think of an English word that starts with he, ends with he, but isn't he, or he. That's your second puzzle. And that one I won't tell you till tomorrow, But I will say in the video, I used it in the last minute. So there's a hint in this video if you watch it later. Okay, questions for practice though? Circle. Questions 3, 5,
And then he.
and 9. Did anybody figure out the tree?
Christmas.
It's not a Christmas tree. You want another hint?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you want to know what it starts with?
Yeah.
It starts with an S.
Sycamore.
Not a sycamore. It's close.
7 more.
That also starts with an S, and it is a tree. There's only, that means you only have one other, it has only vowels left, and one other consonant.
Only vowels, one consonant.
And it starts with an S. And it is a big tree, one of the biggest trees that exists. So now, people who have traveled to the West Coast and seen big trees. And one car brand decided to use this for the name of their vehicle. Whew, boy, lots of hints here.
Subaru.
It's not a Subaru. That is not a tree. It's not a car brand. It's a kind, like
Like a type of car.
like a type of car. Like there's like a Civic is a Honda, right? It's Honda Civic, but a Civic is not a tree. Oh, you guys are stuck? You just want to know the answer to this one?
No.
No? You want to keep working on it? Okay, I'll leave it for you. I'll leave it for you. And then you've also got the hee-hee one.
For the hee-hee headache.
Headache. Ooh, you can also do heartache if you want. But headache. Sometimes for that one, I give students the idea, like if you like grab your desk and bang your head a couple times, you will get it quicker. And then, but okay. So you just have the tree one left. Oh, we have a long video here of nothingness.